I'm going to tell you a beautiful thing which happened to me with Guruji. Year 1993. I was 92. I was very worried. I was making a transition in my career, and I had a lot of sleepless nights, worried about what may happen. There were real difficulties, as some imagine. I went to see Guruji, who had just come to Mike and Hirsch. He was visiting his family here. And I heard a lot about him and how simple he is, and this and that. So here I go to see him. I see him coming out of the bedroom. We had an exchange of eyes, and that moment and thereafter, my worries were all gone. This true happening. Things have been wonderful since. Okay, and that's how Guruji was. Whatever transformation he did inside of me was wonderful. I've heard zillion stories like that in Hoshiarpur. I've been going there since '92 to Hoshiarpur every year with Hershey and Mike, and there are countless stories people have. People have been healed of the diseases which doctors said they can't be healed. So there is a power of yoga which he had, and he could transform. He can heal people by the powers he had gained for the benefit of others. So that's what our Guruji was. Now, he's gone physically, but he's, as we all have acknowledged and said, he's still with us through his work which he taught us, and through a lot of countless books he has written. So now our task begins. He's done, but our task begins now. So please take advantage of the teachings he had given us, and with their classes being held at the ashram, spiritual classes, Gita classes, and other classes, and yoga classes, cleansings, they all were very dear to him. That's how he healed people. That's how he showed them the way to stay healthy, physically, mentally, develop your intellect.